It's going to be tougher after Pure Foods losing that way.
Anytime you play a team that's coming off a loss, they're eager to get back out there and play and get a win.
They want to come back and show that they're a strong team, which they are a dangerous team just because they got blown out.
Gutom na gutom sila sa panalo ngayon. Bibigay nila yung best nila para matalo kami. Pero bibigay din namin yung best namin para talo namin sila.
Those guys, especially Kirby and James, are such great leaders over there at Pure Foods. I don't think those two will accept getting blown out like that and coming in and have another bad game like they did last game. But we're just going to go out there and play every second, every minute and try to pull off a victory so that we can move farther ahead than other teams.
Well, yun po, no? Hindi nga overconfident itong Coca-Cola Tigers because they know that Pure Foods is a franchise with a lot of pride. And that pride was shattered in their last ball game at ayaw naman nila dito pa sa kanilang laban makuha ulit nitong Pure Foods ang kanilang kumpiyansa muli. Next game na lang raw.
Oo, at alam naman natin itong Coca-Cola Tigers with an 8-4 record. Trying so hard to still get that top spot. If they lose tonight, they will be together with Air 21 and Red Bull at 8-5. So it's a very important game to remain for the Coca-Cola Tigers to remain dito in the top spot with 8 or probably if they win tonight 9-4 sila.
At tandaan po natin yung top 2 teams after the double round elimination, didiretso na po sa semifinals. Kaya yun po ang hinahabol nitong Coca-Cola Tigers at dikit-dikit na nga po ang ating mga team standings. Missed by James Yap, pero meron itong offensive rebound si John Dan Salvador. All Filipino po ngayon ang Pure Foods TJ Giants. Salvador, 14 seconds of shot clock ng Pure Foods. Backing down against Nick Velasco, isang bangga pa. Yeah, that's an offensive foul on John Dan Salvador.
That's such a great defensive sequence para sa Coca-Cola Tigers. Nakita natin, the only mistake they had was that offensive rebound. Pero even before that, wala talaga mapuntahan itong Pure Foods TJ Giants. Wherever the ball went, nandun yung red player hustling.
On the other end, merong isang offensive foul na itinawag naman kay Donald Copeland. Una lamang yan para dito kay Copeland. So series of turnovers here. Alright, ito na yung si Rico Villanueva. Nasaraduhan nitong si Jason Dixon. Another turnover. So tatlong sunod-sunod na yan na turnovers. Both ends on the floor.
Naka 14 turnovers na total para sa TJ Giants. And that's not going to help them try to win this ball game tonight.
Sis Macapagal, tumira ulit ng Torres. Kapos. Chico Lanete, hands it off. Hindi niya binigay. Ngayon, binigay na niya dito kay Ray Evangelista. Rico Villanueva trying to take it to Dixon one-on-one. I don't think that's a good idea. Ito, Villanueva. 3-second violation na tawag against John Dan Salvador.
Again, another good defensive effort para sa Coca-Cola Tigers. And that's the reason why they're number 1 here. Hindi dahil sa kanilang opensa, pero dahil sa kanilang depensa ang pinapakita.
I don't know about that. Kasi nga si Dixon pa yung atakihin nila one-on-one. Plus the fact na ang layo nakuha ni Rico Villanueva yung bola sa labas. Ngayon, eto naman si Dixon ang atake. Walang ralini sa loob para sa Pure Foods. Backing down against Villanueva. Walang double team na dumating. At dire-diretso na si Jason Dixon getting a 7-point on the ball game.
Kailangan na help si Rico Villanueva as they're trying to play man-to-man naman ngayon. You have to show because there is a big mismatch between Rico Villanueva and Jason Dixon underneath.
As you saw the turnover, sorry. Marami na nga po para dito sa Pure Foods. Eto, dire-diretso si Peter June Simon for a layup. Chops that lead of the Coca-Cola Tigers.
Alam mo yung mga guardian nitong Pure Foods, kanina pa natin binabanggit, partner. 6 points para kay Simon, 4 points para kay Roger Yap, 12 points para kay James Yap. And practically, that's 22 points. The other 2 points galing dun sa import, dun sa follow-up tip-in, at follow-up dunk. So that's 24 points for them tonight.
At itong Coca-Cola, ito, pumunta kay Ron J. Buenafe. Buenafe ngayon against Simon. Nakawala pero it was hacked by Peter June Simon. So a couple of substitutions. Itong si Asi Taulava and Alex Cabagnot na mainit rin nung ating first quarter. Pumasok na. Pinangalta muna itong si Nick Velasco and Roger Buenafe. And they go attack the post again. Dixon, tinitignan kung may double team. Now he kicks it out. Copeland goes inside. Wala yung kanyang floater. Simon makes his move against Cabagnot. Kicks it out. Rey Evangelista. Ball will go to Pure Foods.
Partner, this is a very important stretch para sa Pure Foods TJ Giants as nakita natin referee binabalik. Ano, Coca-Cola Tigers. Okay, tama.
Tumama rin kay Asi Taulava yung bola. Kaya babalik nga sa Pure Foods itong bola. The referee corrected himself that time.
But a very important stretch para sa TJ Giants. This is their second unit. Ano? Si PJ Simon minsan nagpo-first. Kanina lang siya nag-start. Pero this is the shock trooper team. Itong TJ Giants. And if they can hold fort with the lead at only 3, maganda mangyayari pagbalik nila James Yap tsaka ni Kirby Raimundo.
Ito si Kirby Raimundo. Naka-standby na nga sa ating scorer's table. Post ito si Asi Taulava. Kicks it out. Alex Cabagnot. Uy, in and out. Nakagawa pa, dalawa nakaputi. And in layman's terms, hindi nagkaamuyan itong dalawang magkakampi na si John Dan at si Rico Villanueva.
At ayun naman, ano, alam mo, after this play, you will see ito si Coach Ryan Gregorio will be applauding yung mga effort nitong tatlong players niya dahil nakita niya yung kagustuhan talaga nila makuha yung defensive rebound. Di nga lang nagkaamuyan, as you put it.
Mas maganda nga makita mo may dalawang player ka nag-aagawan sa bola kesa dung wala talagang
tumatalbog na.
Oo, tumatalbog sa harap mo, walang kumukuha. Eto na, nag-adjust na si Donald Copeland. Dahil nga mas matapang na sila ngayon, wala nang 7-footer na Ralimi doon sa gitna.
How long can he sit on the bench para sa Pure Foods TJ Giants? We will see, ano? At they're only down by 5 points right now.
Ito naman si Simon ang susubok sa labas, wala pa rin. Here's Copeland. Accelerates Copeland with a sidestepping move, gets the basket off Kirby Raimundo.
Yun ang sinasabi natin problema, walang man in the middle to be threatened for. Ano? Especially in the break, you see Donald Copeland give his body. At yun, the last minute, nice looking left-handed layup. Raimundo gets his second personal foul. Copeland completes a 3-point play.
At ito, unti-unti na lumalayo ang Coca-Cola Tigers. Kaya napatawag ulit ang timeout si Coach Ryan Gregorio.